Hey y'all, Nico here. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thanks for joining me. I'm Nico. Today is day 22 of the Triple R Challenge, and today's practice is a higher awareness practice where we'll be focusing on the third eye and crown chakra. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to use a hand mudra today to help us tap into our higher consciousness, and it is the Gyan mudra. So to do the Gyan mudra, just touch the tip of your index finger to the tip of your thumb, and we'll let the other fingers extend. Make sure you're sitting nice and tall, shoulders relaxed away from the ears. Take a deep inhale through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. Take a second inhale through the nose. And exhale out the mouth. Take one more inhale through the nose. And exhale out the mouth. Good. Come back to your natural breath again. Spending these first few moments preparing our minds and our bodies for this higher consciousness practice where we're tapping into the third eye chakra, responsible for our intuition and clairvoyance, and our crown chakra, responsible for our connection to the divine. Good. See if you can find that steady breath in and out of the nose to use throughout the practice here. We'll take an inhale. Exhale, release the hands, come up to hands and knees for child's pose. So for this one, bring your knees close together. Sit the hips back towards the heels. Let your arms rest alongside your legs and bring your forehead down to the mat. Good. Take an inhale. Exhale. We're going to come up to a kneeling position. Bring the knees underneath the hips. Take the arms, rest them on your lower back, grabbing either elbow. Lift the chest, puff up through the chest, let the head fall back. Press the hips forward, trying to keep them somewhat over the knees as we come to this variation of Ustrasana, camel pose. Be careful here. Take an inhale. Exhale, slowly come back up. Bring your hands down to the mat. Just come in the table position for a second. Sometimes those poses where the head falls back can make you a little dizzy, so we want to take our time. And tuck your toes under. Lift your hips up and back. Come to Adho Mukha Svanasana, down dog. Good. Press the chest towards the thighs. Press the heels towards the ground. Remember, you can always have bent knees in down dog if you need to, if that'll help you get your back more flat. Good. If you ever need a break, drop down to the knees. From here, bring your gaze forward and start to walk the feet up behind the hands. Take an inhale, place the hands on the shins for a half lift. Flat back here. Exhale, melt down for a forward fold.
So feel free to have a slight bend in your knees. Just let your body hang over the legs here. Good. Now from here, keep that left knee bent or bend it a little if it's not already bent. Straighten that right leg as much as you can. Left fingertips rest down in front of the left foot. And we extend the right arm up for a revolve, forward fold. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Right hand lowers down, bend back into both knees. Straighten that left leg a bit more. Right fingertips rest down, extend the left arm up. Good. Try to bring your gaze up towards the hand if you can. Inhale. Exhale, lower the left hand down. Deep bend into the knees, roll up to a standing position, one vertebra at a time. Bring those arms with you, sweep them up, let the hands meet overhead. Exhale, bring the hands to heart center and down to your side, coming to Tadasana, mountain pose. Soft knees here, chest nice and open, micro bend in the knees. Chin parallel to the floor, palms facing outward. Rooted down through the ball and the heel of the feet. Good. From here, we'll take an inhale, extend both arms up, let the hands meet. Let your gaze look up towards the hands. Exhale, shift your weight into your heels and sit down slightly in your chair pose, Utkatasana. Good. Inhale, straighten the legs. Exhale, release the hands behind you. Interlace the fingers, roll the shoulders back. Lift the heart, open the chest. Inhale. Exhale, bend into the knees and start to fall forward over the legs, folding forward and letting those arms come out behind you. Good, with the fingers interlaced. Good, release the hands, come into a forward fold. Inhale, come up for a half lift, place the hands on the shins, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, lower back down to forward fold, Uttanasana. Plant the hands in front of the feet. And we'll step straight back to Adho Mukha Svanasana, down dog. Good. Take some breaths here. Drop down to the knees if you need a break. We'll do that again. I'll bring your gaze down between your hands. Walk the feet up behind the hands, come back to Uttanasana, forward fold. Good. Let's bend into the right knee. Straighten the left leg as much as you can. Fingertips come down in front of the right foot. Left arm extends up. Bring your gaze up towards the hand. Lift your gaze as much as you can. Inhale. Exhale. Bend into the left knee. Right leg comes more straight. Left fingertips down. Right arm extends up. Bring your gaze up towards the right hand. Good. Inhale. Exhale. Right hand comes down. Coming back to your forward fold, Uttanasana. Bend into the knees, roll up to standing. Bring those arms with you. Inhale. Let the hands meet above you. Exhale the hands to heart center and down to your sides for Tadasana, mountain pose. Good. Palms facing outward, shoulders relaxed, chin parallel to the floor. Good. Take an inhale, extend those arms up. Bring your gaze up towards the hands. Exhale, sit down slightly into your imaginary chair. Keep your gaze lifted. Good. Inhale, straighten the legs out. Exhale, release the hands behind you. Interlace the fingers, roll the shoulders back. Open the heart, lift the chin. Inhale. Exhale, bend into the knees, fall down over the legs. Let the arms fall out behind you for a yoga seal. Good. Inhale. Exhale, release the hands. Come up for a half lift. Place the hands on the shins, flat back. Exhale, bend the knees, plant the hands in front of the feet. Step back to Adho Mukha Svanasana, down dog. Good. Inhale and down dog. Exhale, drop the knees down. Go ahead and bring your big toes together and your knees wide. Extend the arms forward. Melt your heart down towards your mat. Let your forehead rest on the ground. Good. From here, take an inhale. Exhale, shift your weight forward, come into hands and knees. And we're gonna make our way to a seat with the feet flat on the ground, knees bent. Good. Now bring the hands behind you, and we're going to find this flip the dog flow. So hands come behind you. We'll start to lift the hips off the ground. You can let the fingertips face outward. Lift the hips off the ground and reach that right arm up and back. Inhale. Exhale, lower. And we'll do the other side. Lift the hips, let the left arm reach up and back. Inhale. Exhale, lower. Good. Inhale, lift the hips, right arm reaches back. See if you can bring that gaze behind you. Inhale. Exhale, lower. Good. Flip. Inhale, left arm reaches. Exhale, lower. One more time each side. Inhale. Lift. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Good. Coming back to a seated position with the knees bent. Go ahead and rest back on your forearms now. Good. Resting on your forearms. Roll the shoulders back, puff up through the chest, and let the head fall back for this modified version of Matsyasana, fish pose. Good. Good. Take an inhale. Exhale. Make your way down to your back. Hug your knees into your chest. Rock side to side here. Let's take a big inhale. Squeeze yourself into a ball. Inhale, hold. Exhale, release to Savasana. Feet reach towards the bottom corners of your mat. Arms rest at your sides, palms facing upward. If there's a more comfortable position you'd like to be in, feel free. Or if you want to come to a seated position, you're free to do that as well. Let's come back to the breath. Take a deep inhale through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. Second, deep inhale through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. One more deep inhale through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. Good. Return to the natural breath again. Releasing any control over the breath, letting it flow. Just allowing your breath to bring you deeper into relaxation. Feeling yourself sink into your mat with each exhale. Fully let go now. And while you're here, I'll say some affirmations to you, which you can repeat silently to yourself or aloud. I am one with the divine and guided by my highest self. My thoughts are elevated. My intuition is clear. I honor the sacred downloads and visions I receive. If you'd like to stay here longer, I invite you to pause this video now. Otherwise, begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, coming back into your body and back into the room. And if you're laying down, roll to your favorite side using your arm as a pillow. Taking a moment here to reflect on your practice and to extend gratitude towards yourself for this act of self-care and self-love today. On your next inhale, if you're not already there, make your way up to a comfortable seat once again. And together, we'll sweep the arms up overhead. Inhale, let the hands meet. Exhale, float them down to heart center. Namaste. Okay guys, thank you for joining me for day 22 of the RRR challenge. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about this video, about the challenge so far. Make sure you check the links in my description box. There's a link below about joining my channel as a member if you'd like exclusive access to longer videos. There's also a link down there to my meditation album. I recommend the song Mantra or Space to go along with this practice if you want to continue your mindfulness practice. My Patreon is down there as well, where we're tapping into sensual and feminine yoga. And there's also a link to my Amazon storefront where you can find this outfit and all the outfits I've worn throughout the challenge. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Peace and love.